Hi everyone, my name is Divya and I am from Madhya Pradesh. Today I'll tell you what is the difference between software tester and QA. Since we are working in the software industry, so many times we have come across both the word QA and software tester. Both of them looks very similar, but the only difference between them is in terms of role and responsibilities that they are handling. But it depends on organization to organization. But the ultimate goal of both of them is to ensure the quality of the product. So first I'll tell you from my experience about the software tester, as I'm working as a software tester. So what we are doing is, whenever we are getting the new requirements from the client, so we are participating right from the beginning of the software development life cycle. We are participating in the grooming call, in the requirement analysis phase. After that, we depending on that, we are finalizing our test strategy, test plan, and after that we write test scenario, test cases depending on the requirement, and we start our execution. So basically our primary goal is to ensure that all the things are working as per the expected result, whatever is mentioned in the requirement document. So we ensure that we are delivering bug-free product to the production. And along with this, we are also maintaining the document for this. These are the responsibilities that we are handling. And the other thing also, we perform various types of testing processes, like we have a functional testing, non-functional testing part of it. So everything comes under the part, we are doing it as a part of testing itself. And now if we talk about QA, they primarily focus on improving the quality of the process. They ensure that everything, that the process that we are following as a part of testing strategy is as per the guidelines what is given, as per the organization guidelines. We are not skipping anything. So this is all the checkpoint that they ensure. So, but basically the ultimate goal is so that we can have we can deliver quality product or service to the consumer. So I don't think there is much difference between them, but yeah, of course there is slight difference, and that depend on our organization. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Rasika Vevare. I'm from Pune. I hope you all are doing good and safe. So today I will be sharing my thoughts on difference between QA and tester. I personally feel QA is a quality assurance process and tester, we are the part of that quality assurance process. As a part of test engineer, he performs testing on a product and find out the bugs and report them. There are different testing phases are there, like regression testing, functional testing, SVT testing, integration testing, UAT testing. Testers get involved in all these phases and tries to find out many defects as possible. His job is to make sure that the end user can use this product seamlessly. Test engineer write the test cases and try to execute them. During execution, test engineers try to find out as many as bugs possible and minimize the occurrence of critical bugs in the production environment. Whereas on the other hand, QA, quality assurance, is the process. Quality assurance in software testing is a process which ensures that the quality of a software product and services which we are providing to the customers are achieved and is as per the commitment. Quality assurance focuses on improving the software development process and making it effective and efficient as per the quality standards for the software product. Quality assurance is probably known as QA testing. As a part of QA process, organizations should check their process gradually and timely basis to make sure that if there are any changes required in the requirements, that should be captured correctly and updated to tester. Then as a part of quality assurance, I feel the organization should monitor that the process is properly followed and it is helping us to achieve the process it is possible to achieve the quality for that product. As a part of quality assurance, testers should implement action that are necessary to achieve the improvements in the process and to achieve the quality in the product. As an organization must uses the quality assurance to ensure that the product is quality and design and implemented the correct procedures. This helps to reduce the problems and errors to find in the final product. QA is a process which helps testers to achieve the highest quality of the product. QA helps to achieve the highest quality and make sure end user will be happy while using the product. We are the tester and we are the part of QA process which helps the organization as well as um, we are the one who makes everyone to feel proud uh, by achieving the highest quality of the product. These are my thoughts. I will definitely like to hear your thoughts as well. Thank you.